In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for meetings and video calls. We'll walk through the main things you need to know, from scheduling a meeting to joining one, using the meeting controls, sharing your screen, and leaving the meeting properly. To schedule a Teams meeting, start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. On the left side of the app, click Calendar. This is where you can view upcoming meetings and create new ones. Next, click New Event. From here, enter a meeting title so your invitees know what the meeting is about. Then add the date and time and include the people you want to invite. You can also add meeting details or an agenda, which is helpful if you want everyone to know what will be discussed in advance. Make sure the Teams meeting option is enabled, then click Save or Send. Once you do that, the participants will receive the invitation automatically. If you need to start a meeting right away instead of scheduling it for later, open Microsoft Teams and go back to Calendar. Click Meet Now. If prompted, enter a name for the meeting, then click Start Meeting. After the meeting opens, copy the meeting link and share it with the people you want to invite. This is a quick and convenient option for spontaneous calls or urgent discussions. To join a Teams meeting, open Microsoft Teams and go to your calendar, or simply open the meeting invitation you received. Select the meeting and click Join. Before entering, check your camera and microphone settings to make sure everything is working the way you want. When you're ready, click Join Now. You can also join directly by using a Teams meeting link shared through email or another messaging app. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see several controls that help you manage your experience. You can turn your microphone on or off, switch your camera on or off, share your screen, open the chat, view the list of participants, or raise your hand to signal that you'd like to speak. There's also a More menu for additional options and a Leave button to exit the meeting. If you need to present something, click Share in the meeting controls. Then choose whether you want to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a PowerPoint file. Start presenting, and when you're done, click Stop Sharing. When the meeting is finished, click Leave. If you're the organizer, you may also see an option to end the meeting for everyone, depending on your team's setup and permissions. Before any important video call, it's a good idea to test your camera, microphone, speakers, and internet connection so everything runs smoothly from the start.